How to catch the Easter Bunny. Fat Cat Books. Please subscribe and press the bell.
How to Catch the Easter Bunny. Written by Adam Wallace and illustrated by Andy Elkerton. Read by Teacher Mike.
I've been working long and hard with all my peeps and crew. We've made the eggs and now I'm here to bring them all to you.
This looks like a large chocolate egg factory. And there are loads of chicks working inside the factory. How many chicks can you see? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chicks working inside that factory. Who does the factory belong to? I can see the letters EB above the gate. Who could that be?
My real name's a secret. My friends call me EB. My special job means I must hide my true identity.
What a lovely office. But whose name would start with E and B? Are there any clues in the office? There are some carrots in a plant pot. It looks like that picture is a picture of some bunny feet. There's a name on the desk. It says Mr. Bunny. It says the world's best hopper on the cup. And there is a basket on the desk filled with eggs. I think those are Easter eggs. And what is that above the chair? Those look like some long rabbit ears. Do you know whose office this is?
Yes, I'm the Easter Bunny, and I'm coming to your home. If you have Easter spirit, then you just might see me roam.
It's the Easter Bunny! He is so cute. The Easter Bunny is wearing a big, lovely yellow ribbon with purple dots on it around his neck. Today, he's going to give out lots of chocolate treats. The Easter Bunny loves to hide chocolate treats for children to find. And he loves to hide Easter eggs in your garden and in your home.
Yeah!
A hole that's covered by a rug will never cause me strife. Have you forgotten what I am? Borrowing's my life.
Someone has dug a deep hole and covered it with a rug. They were trying to catch the Easter Bunny. But the deep hole cannot catch the Easter Bunny because the Easter Bunny is an expert at burrowing. That means he can dig tunnels through the ground and escape. The Easter Bunny quickly burrowed a tunnel underground. He burrowed past some water pipes, a bit of rubbish, and a dinosaur skeleton! This house is built above some awesome treasures. There's a Viking helmet and a shield over there. Also, there's a chest that might be filled with treasure.
This first trap is quite simple. Just carrots on a plate and lightning fast. To catch me, you'll need some better bait.
It looks like someone was trying to catch the Easter Bunny under a box held up by a stick. And they placed some bait underneath the box.
Bait, a small amount of food in the trap used to attract and catch animals.
Can you see what it is? It's some carrots. How many carrots can you see? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 carrots. The Easter Bunny has stolen one. Even though the Easter Bunny runs lightning fast, he still manages to easily hold his Easter egg treats in his basket backpack.
Ha 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 ha! This next trap is quite clever. Made by brilliant engineers. But it's hard to catch a bunny who has supersonic ears.
Some brilliant engineers had created an enticing karaoke sing-along. They were trying to get the Easter Bunny to sing along so they could catch him. But the Easter Bunny has supersonic ears, so he could hear that it was just a recording behind the curtain, and it wasn't a bunny friend to sing along with. It looks like the bunny is more brilliant than the engineers. It's not going to be that easy to catch the Easter Bunny.
Ha ha ha! Now this is much more like it! A fully lit dance floor? I'll do a little hip hop, then dash behind the door!
This room is very exciting. There's a bright disco ball and some really big speakers. And the dance floor is lit up in all different colours. But wait, what is that? Part of the dance floor has disappeared, and there are some spikes underneath. The Easter Bunny better watch out. Wait, what are those spikes? They look like something. They're orange with some grooves around them. Oh, these spikes aren't dangerous. It's a bunch of carrots.
Yummy!
Someone wanted to attract the Easter Bunny so he would fall into a hole on the dance floor. But the Easter Bunny is too clever to fall for that trap.
You want to catch me for my eggs? And my magic basket too? Ha ha ha! But I've been hiding Easter treats since 1682!
The pirate, holding a shovel, opens the chest. He was shocked to discover that there's nothing inside.
Captain, are there any eggs?
It be empty. The Easter Bunny has fooled us. His treats aren't here.
Ha ha ha! Goodbye!
The Easter Bunny painted EB on the ship because E and B are the first letters of the Easter Bunny's name. And the pirate ship now belongs to the Easter Bunny.
Ha ha ha! Goodbye!
Oh no, Captain! He took our ship! What do we do, Captain?
I really don't know.
Wow, the Easter Bunny has been alive for a very long time. He was even alive when pirates sailed the sea. It looks like a group of pirates tried to catch the Easter Bunny and steal his chocolate eggs. But the Easter Bunny stole their ship and left them on an island. How will those pirates escape the island? Can they swim? No! The ocean is infested with sharks. I can see the shark fins poking out of the water. How many sharks can you see? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sharks swimming in the ocean.
This trap nearly gets me, but check out all my hops. Watch me dodge the flying fish and cherry yogurt pops. Boing, boing, boing.
This trap also looks like it's been made by some brilliant engineers. They've made a gun that can fire ice lollipops and jellyfish. That's jellyfish made of jelly, not the jellyfish that have many tentacles. It looks like they were trying to turn the Easter Bunny into a sticky mess so that the Easter Bunny won't be able to get away. But the Easter Bunny easily hopped and dodged the ice lolly treats.
I switched my size from 2 feet tall to something small and grey. Your Easter spirit is so strong, you'll see me right away.
Only those who truly believe in the Easter Bunny will see him when he's so small. What's on the door? There are lots of signs. One of them says, "Keep out." Another says, "Danger." The one at the top says, "Caution, radiation hazard." And that yellow sign means biohazards, which means there must be some very smelly farts in that room. It's a good thing the Easter Bunny can shrink down and escape that biohazardous room.
I leave so many Easter treats, no children will be sad. But when they see that I've escaped, they'll be hopping mad. Ha ha ha!
Wow! There are so many Easter treats on that tree. There are chocolate rabbits and Easter eggs. How many Easter treats can you see? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 Easter treats. But one thing hanging on the tree is not an Easter treat. It looks like a garden gnome. Garden gnomes are small little men who look after the garden. But this gnome looks like it's made of metal, and there are some sparks flying out of him. What can this be? Do you know what this is? You're right, this is a robot. Someone was trying to catch the Easter Bunny with a robot gnome. But it looks like the Easter Bunny was too clever for that robot gnome. He tied up and hung the robot gnome upside down on the tree.
Can you find the Easter Bunny?
The Easter Bunny is peeking over the wall. He has a cheeky smile. He looks pleased with what he did to that tree.
The Bunny Tumbler 2.0 sure takes me for a spin, but I've got lucky rabbit's feet. I know I'll always win. Yahoo!
That looks like a bingo ball tumbler. When you spin a bingo ball tumbler, it will let out a random number. You are very lucky if your number comes out during a game of bingo. It seems someone thought the Easter Bunny would be trapped inside the bingo ball tumbler forever. But Rabbit's feet are very lucky, so the bingo tumbler will always let out the Easter Bunny first.
With all my treats delivered to children big and small, I've got one special stop to make to my favourite kid of all. Ha ha ha!
Who could that be? Is it you?
Treat, 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 treat. See you next year. Treat,
See you next year. Goodbye.
Said the chicks. Goodbye.
You've been waiting all year long. Now Easter's here at last. You can try your best to catch me, but you know that I'm fast.
Did you notice the Easter Bunny was carrying different Easter eggs in his basket backpack? There was a dark pink egg with pink stars, a green egg with dark green zigzags, a blue egg with purple stars, a pink egg, a red and orange striped egg, a purple egg with pink spots, and a green egg with white stars. What? You didn't notice? See if you can spot all the different eggs in his basket. Go back and watch again.
Get your free Easter activity pack at fatcatbooks.uk now. Please like, share and subscribe. See you next time.
Make sure your child is reading and spelling accurately with the Fat Cat Phonics program. Make learning phonics easy and fun with the virtual teacher, which allows your child to learn along with me. Ant. Complete various exercises. Ant. And read unique stories written by myself. Ant and Fat Cat. An ant is in ink. They're designed to be easily read in the early stages of their reading and will build up your child's confidence. Also, make the end of the lesson revision fun with one of the phonics games. Ant. Download some free lessons now at fatcatbooks.uk.